and twist, and twist.
Well, my first kiss when I...
Hey guys, it's Serena again. I'm going to do a video on how to curl your hair in a summer look. We're going to be using a straightener. It's called, we got a new one because the other one kind of sucks. And it's Andy's multi-heat ceramic. It's a really, really good straightener. And right now we're waiting for it to heat up. Maybe we're going to scroll it up to 20. And we're going to divide her hair. So, yeah, I'm not doing it on myself today because I kind of curled my hair. I just don't really feel like it. Like washing my hair again. So you just take any hair clipping you have and you flip your hair. Okay. And you let her hair. That's how much you want left. Okay. And if we're looking to do my hairstyle, which is kind of weird, but you never know. What I did, I braided my bangs back and I clipped it up. This is when it was down. I curled my hair and I just put it up in a ponytail and just wear it like that. Because I have a friend coming over today. I have to look decent enough. Okay. So, we're going to curve in her hair now. And we're going to go 360 degrees. So it's kind of like you're curling it. But you're just keeping it in the position. You're going to let it go. And it does that crimp look. You see that? And it's another way to have your hair look really curly, natural. Okay, and just let it go. And you do it all the way down. So you just do the 360, you don't move it. So it looks like this. And you kind of have that crimp look, but it looks more curly. And I don't know, if in the end when you're going to see it all finished, it can look like a Vogue look, like the models in the magazine, and the hair looks really pretty, so that's how they might do it. She got lots of compliments on this hairstyle. And it's so much easier to do it on her hair. I love doing it on her hair. It's really soft. So this is what you do. It's really simple, and it's very cute. How long does it take? About 10 minutes? 20?
I only do the top.
Okay, she only does the top. But if you want, you have to do it all the way across because you don't want to, your bottom to be uncurly. So you're just going to continue doing this, and it looks like you curled it, but you didn't. Like it decurled or something. It's really cute. Okay, and I'm going to do this half and then the other, and I'll get back to you after this. So you don't have to watch it all. And you can see the finishing result. So if you're heading out for the summer, or you're just going to get together with some friends at the beach, you want to look natural, you can have this hairstyle. And you really want to have a thin straightener because it will not work with a thick one. So make sure you have a thin straightener. Okay, and this is what we have so far. Oh, and you don't even have to hold it that much. Once it gets heated up, you hold it like 30 seconds or even less and you just let it go and it's already curly. Like I literally hold it for like 10 seconds and I let it go. And I'm sorry I haven't made any videos. I've just been really busy and it's finally summer so I'm going to have a lot more time. And in the week we're leaving to Las Vegas, so we're really excited. So that's about it with that half, and we'll get back to you when we're almost done. Bye. Okay, so we're all done, and this is what it's going to turn out to look like. It's really pretty and beachy. Can you give them a 360, please? Okay. Thanks. And, okay, this is optional, but if you want your hair to stay, you might want to use some hairspray. So you just spray it in. And if you want more volume, you can of course tease it. Okay, and she curled her bangs, obviously, did the spiral thing on them. And well, that's optional too, because some people it looks good on and some it just doesn't work. So whatever works for you. And I'm gonna just tease it real quick and see if we can add a little bit more volume. We're just going to go with the back because her front's fine. I think you all know how to tease. See, and then she has that back comb piece type hair, so it works really good with hers. Just go like that. And you got your tease. Okay. So thanks for watching, and try this out and tell me what you think. Bye.
My first kiss went a little like this.